Top 8 forbidden compliments that make women drool over you, inspired by Stoicism. Introduction. Compliments are more than just words. They're a way to build connections, spark admiration, and leave lasting impressions. But there's a fine line between making someone feel truly seen and sounding like everyone else. Women are often showered with surface-level compliments about their looks or style, which, while flattering, rarely create a meaningful impact. To stand out, you need to go deeper, beyond appearances, to focus on her character, values, and influence. Stoicism, a philosophy rooted in inner strength and understanding, offers powerful insights into what truly matters in human relationships. By applying Stoic principles, you can craft compliments that aren't just unique, they're transformative. These forbidden compliments don't just make her feel good, they make her feel valued and understood on a profound level. Let's explore these 7 compliments, why they work, and how to use them effectively. 1. I admire your strength in tough situations. Expanded meaning. This compliment goes beyond praising her ability to endure. It recognizes her courage, emotional resilience, and resourcefulness during difficult times. It shows that you see her not as someone who needs saving, but as someone who has mastered her own battles. Deeper impact. Many women are quietly proud of the struggles they've overcome, but few people take the time to acknowledge them. By highlighting her strength, you validate her journey. Stoic insight. Marcus Aurelius famously wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Recognizing her inner strength aligns with this principle, showing that you value her character, not just her circumstances. When to say it, after she shares a personal story of overcoming a challenge or during a moment when her resilience shines through. Example delivery. Hearing what you've been through and how you handled it, it's clear you have a strength that most people don't. I really admire that about you. 2. You have a unique way of seeing the world. Expanded meaning. This compliment celebrates her intellect, creativity, and individuality. It tells her that her ideas and perspectives matter, and that you find them refreshing and inspiring. Deeper impact. Women often feel reduced to their looks, so complimenting her mind and worldview makes her feel valued in a way that's rare and deeply personal. Stoic insight. Epictetus taught that the way we perceive the world defines our reality. By admiring her unique perspective, you show that you value wisdom and individuality, qualities central to Stoicism. When to say it, after she shares an opinion, a creative idea, or her take on a complex topic. Example delivery. The way you look at things is so different from anyone I've ever met. It's like you see details and connections others miss. It's really impressive. 3. I love how you make people feel valued. Expanded meaning. This compliment recognizes her emotional intelligence and ability to create a safe, warm space for others. It celebrates her empathy and interpersonal skills, which are often underappreciated. Deeper impact. Most people don't realize how much their kindness affects others until someone points it out. By noticing this quality, you make her feel seen on a deeply personal level. Stoic insight. Seneca emphasized the importance of fostering good relationships and treating others with respect. Recognizing her for uplifting others mirrors these Stoic ideals. When to say it, after observing how she interacts with others or hearing her talk about supporting someone. Example delivery. You have this gift for making people feel like they matter. It's such a rare and beautiful quality. 4. Your presence makes things better. Expanded meaning. This compliment acknowledges her intangible impact, her ability to make spaces feel lighter, happier, or more positive just by being there. Deeper impact. While many compliments focus on what a person does, this focuses on who she is. It's subtle yet deeply meaningful. Stoic insight. Stoics valued harmony and contributing to the greater good. Praising her presence ties into this idea, showing that you appreciate the effect she has on those around her. When to say it, in social gatherings where her energy uplifts the mood or during a quiet, heartfelt moment. Example delivery. I don't know what it is, but whenever you're here, everything feels a little brighter and easier. It's like you bring this amazing energy with you. 5. You have a quiet confidence that's inspiring. Expanded meaning. This compliment highlights a rare form of confidence, one that isn't loud or boastful, but grounded and self-assured. It's about recognizing her inner strength and calm demeanor. Deeper impact. Confidence is often admired, but quiet confidence is rarely noticed. By pointing it out, you show that you see her depth and stability. Stoic insight. True confidence, according to Stoicism, comes from within and doesn't rely on external validation. This compliment directly aligns with that principle. When to say it, when she handles a situation with poise or shows calm self-assurance in a challenging moment. Example delivery. The way you carry yourself is so steady and confident. It's not flashy, but it's so powerful. I really admire that. 6. You challenge me in the best way. Expanded meaning, this compliment acknowledges her ability to push you toward growth, whether by making you think differently, encouraging self-improvement, or inspiring you to step out of your comfort zone. Deeper impact. It's flattering to know that you've made a positive impact on someone else's growth. This compliment positions her as a meaningful influence in your life. Stoic insight. Growth often comes from challenges, as the Stoics believed. Recognizing her as a catalyst for your development reflects this value. When to say it, after a deep conversation, or when she encourages you to try something new or step outside your comfort zone. Example delivery. You have this amazing way of challenging me to see things differently and push myself. It's one of the things I really love about being around you. 7. You bring out the best in people around you. Expanded meaning. This is a high-level compliment that recognizes her ability to inspire, motivate, and uplift those around her. Deeper impact. It tells her that her presence is not just appreciated, but transformative, that she has a profound effect on others. Stoic insight. Stoicism values those who contribute positively to their community and relationships. This compliment aligns with the idea of being a force for good. When to say it, after seeing her motivate a group, support a friend, or create a positive dynamic in a situation. Example delivery. The way you inspire and support people, it's amazing. You bring out the best in everyone around you. 8. Bonus. You have a sense of calm that's contagious. What it means, this compliment celebrates her ability to create a soothing, stable presence, even in stressful situations. Why it works. Many people strive to be a source of calm and reassurance. Acknowledging this trait makes her feel appreciated for something deeply meaningful. Stoic insight. The Stoics believed in maintaining inner calm regardless of external chaos. Praising her ability to embody this principle ties directly to their teachings. When to say it, after observing her handle stress, or when her presence helps you feel more at ease. Example delivery. Being around you just makes everything feel more manageable. You have this calming effect that's incredible. Conclusion. The Stoic approach to compliments is rooted in authenticity, depth, and intentionality. These 7 plus 1 bonus, forbidden compliments, break the mold by focusing on qualities that truly matter. Her character, intellect, and influence. They go beyond the surface, touching on the essence of who she is, not just how she looks. When used sincerely, these compliments can deepen your connection, make her feel truly appreciated, and set you apart in a world full of cliches. Stoicism reminds us that true admiration comes from recognizing what's within, and these compliments embody that timeless wisdom.